दोस्तों, हमारे शरीर में अलग अलग इम्पोर्टेंट ऑर्गन पार्ट्स है और उसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ऑर्गन पार्ट्स है आंखें। इन आंखों से हम लोग ये खूबसूरत दुनिया देखते हैं, लेकिन आंखों में भी डिसऑर्डर, डिसफंक्शन हो जाता है, चश्मे लग जाते। तो उसका रूट कॉज क्या है? कहीं ना कहीं उसका रूट कॉज ब्लड सर्कुलेशन और ऑक्सीजन लेवल है। जब हमारे आंखों को फंक्शन करने के लिए ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कम मात्रा में मिलता है, तब आंखों के अंदर डिसफंक्शन, डिसऑर्डर आ जाता है। और आंखों की सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर सीमा बहल जी हमें इसके बारे में और विस्तार से साइंटिफिक नॉलेज देंगे। तो डॉक्टर सीमा बहल जी को मैं वेलकम करता हूं, वो अपना नॉलेज हमारे साथ शेयर करें।
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Seema Bahel, an eye specialist in Mumbai, working for last 25-26 years. So today I'm just going to talk about the importance of blood circulation and oxygen levels in our body, especially eye. So as we know that blood circulation is important for our health and well-being. Suppose what happens if the blood circulation is cut to our body or it is diminished, we suffer, we get disease. For example, suppose the blood circulation to brain is cut, then we get stroke and paralysis. Suppose the blood circulation is cut from the heart, then we get heart attack and maybe we can die also if it's a massive. Suppose the blood circulation to extremities or any body part is cut, then we suffer from gangrene and various kind of problems because of that. Being an eye doctor, I would like to talk a little bit more about eyes. So the front portion of our eyes, that is the cornea. Suppose the blood circulation to cornea is compromised, what would happen? The transparent membrane will become hazy and we would not be able to see properly, we'll have pain, photophobia and all that. Suppose we cut the blood supply to the retina, what happens? It's like an eye stroke, the blood supply is not reaching retina. It becomes cloudy, hazy, swollen, your vision totally goes away. If not treated well in time, it could lead to blindness. So this is very well established that you have to have good blood supply and oxygen for eyes to be normal. Now we have been through this pandemic which has lasted for 2 years, and I'm sure every one of you remember that we all bought what? What was that thing which we bought? Oximeters. We were checking our oxygen levels all the time. So that is because the COVID compromised the oxygen levels because lungs were affected. So that is how important the oxygen levels in the body is.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर सीमा जी।
Thank you very much.